Okay, today I'm making a recipe with your barefoot country coat that a friend of mine sent to me. And what it is, it's mini lasagna bites actually. So you start out with some jumbo shells and you cook those according to the package directions. You're going to need a muffin pan. There's the muffin pan right there. And then once the shells are done cooking, put them in your strainer, let them sit for a minute because they're really hot. What you need to do is turn them wrong side out, and then that goes in your muffin pan. Just like that. See if I can't bring this over so you can see it a little bit. Just turn them inside out. Try not to tear them. So now you're making the cups, the little lasagna cups. That one's hot. Woohoo! Preheat your oven to 350. And these are going to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how you like your cheese to look on top. While these were cooking, I browned about a pound of ground beef and mixed it with some marinara, as you can see. And the other ingredients you will need is ricotta cheese, some mozzarella blend, some marinara sauce. That's what I did with the ground beef. I put marinara on it after the meat was cooked. And then you're going to take a teaspoon of the ricotta, put it in the bottom of each one. Like that. And like that. And like that. It. And one more. These are great little appetizers for parties or just for fun. Especially if you have, teenagers at home and they want to have some friends over and have something like lasagna, but it's finger food. So once you do that, you want to take a teaspoon of the meat mixture, put that on top of each one. Now a pound of ground beef will make 18 of these easily. That's what I ended up making, was 18 of these. There's that one. There. That. That's like a teaspoon of each ingredient. You can go a little crazy with the cheese on top if you want. So this makes 18 to 20 of these things. Okay, so that's in there. Sometimes they will wiggle around in there, so you just kind of tell them behave. Then the other thing you need is some grated Parmesan. That on top. Just a sprinkle. Don't need a lot. Because the topping part is this mozzarella. And we put that on there. I just take a pinch, cover it. It's about not like a heaping teaspoon of the cheese. I don't have that much in it. Like I said, you can make them as cheesy as you want or not. But it's kind of like just a pinch, like a teaspoon pinch on top. And then these go in the oven, like I said, for 350 degrees. Approximately 15 to 20 minutes. I put them in for 15 and then I check them. 15, start. And when they come out, they look like this. All gooey, cheesy. And the way you eat them is you pinch it and then you take a bite. These are delicious. easy, tasty, and cute. So I highly recommend this recipe. If you're trying to think of something new for a grab and go kind of food, like you could literally put these in your kids' lunch if they have a microwave at school, and they can warm them up in the microwave at school and say, oh, I got lasagna. Very, very good.